Hatu kamkor kamasimu banya ke kentei hari India. Penpau kinioki haka jela Mizoram. Kinioki kibladap daga jingdom haka jela Mizoram kila kento tenge ia menteri dang ba kari India unan ramudi bat kila buruk kajing kali yau. Ni kwa ban kali yau menteri dang ba kari habayadai bat kajing singang ki kentei hapo kari. Hatu ka kamkor kamasimu banya ki kentei ha India kila ong. Bat ya kene kajing yalang lap khot ha ka arsantarik noitung dai hajar ngut ki pajba klami sasurok ha ka jela Mizoram pen pau ya ka percha ya ka jimban ben jong ki jak ben reu ki miso kisumi ha ka jela Manipur. Bat ya ka ne ka jing yalang la khot da ka seng NGO Coordination Committee ha ka ba lara lamayong kum si benta ban pen pau ka jing percha ya ka sorkar pedeng bat ya ka sorkar jela jong ka Manipur.
There is one thing like in this pageant, I saw that Arunachali girls, that beautiful one, she asked the Prime Minister to give priority to the women of India instead of the cow. Cow are more precious here in India than women. It is not fair.
You feel angry about it?
Of course, every woman we are angry.